rotary evaporator. In general, the complete system includes three main parts. The middle one is the main evaporator, and the left one is a cooling machine, and the right one is a vacuum pump. The most important part is the middle one, main evaporator. I'll introduce one by one. This is the main condenser, mantle support, vacuum gauge, prevent backflow tube, charging valve. These two are vacuum valves, and this one is collection flask, and this is for discharging. This is a rotary flask, and it's a water heating bath. The bath can be lifted or lowered by electricity. And this one is the control panel. The panel can adjust the temperature and the speed. Let's see the chiller. The chiller can cool the condenser of the evaporator and improve the efficiency of collection. And the chiller can display the temperature here. The control panel can adjust the temperature you need. And we can see the electrical components of the chiller are Schneider. And see the vacuum pump. The vacuum pump can keep the system at better vacuum degree and lower boiling point of the liquid. You can also adjust the vacuum degree by this switch of the vacuum pump. This rotary evaporator is an extraction system that using different boiling point of material to separate dark material from a mixture. For example, this machine is always used to evaporate and recover the ethanol from CBD crude oil. Hope you will be interested. Thank you.